but we're gonna check that right now. Let's see what we got. Finally got me an H10 Optic. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I built the VRD Carbon a while back, and I just love it. It's just a great truck, great crawler. I put the Hobby Wing Fusion in it, and it's great. So I've been wanting to do this H10 Optic for a while, and I saw the RTRs were on sale for Black Friday, but I still want the kit because there is a 1 in 6 chance to get one of these liveries right here, or if I can spin this around, we have the chance of exclusive H10 variant. So, and I have no idea what's in here yet. I haven't opened it up. It is still sealed, but we're gonna check that right now. Let's see what we got. Got the red. Which one's that, the Ibot? Cool. Don't know what direction I'm going with this yet. Still don't know if I'm going to use these panels, decals, stuff like that. And like I said, it won't be built in this video. I'm just kind of doing an unboxing and seeing what color I got and everything else, and letting y'all know what I got. But I do have some parts on order. I do have a brushless motor for it, and I got a light kit coming for it too. And then depending on what color they gave me here, I may do different panels. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. But y'all will see in the next video I do on this one, which may be a while because I got to wait on parts. And then of course the weather in Texas. If I get this done in January, a good chance it could be 90 or it could be 10 outside. So who knows? But this will be my little winter project, so I'll get it done one of these days. But I just wanted to show y'all these are pretty cool. And if any of y'all have one, shoot me comments, man. Here, tell me about it. Tell me what you did to it. Anyway guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and y'all be good and take care.